Hey guys, it's Natalynne, and today I'm going to show you guys a tour of my gallery wall. So my gallery wall is composed of curation of antique paper. So each of the framed pieces that you see were sourced from antique sellers who specialize in antique paper. Most of these were like pretty fragile because they were just so old. I had to use like white gloves and everything. So I didn't really have much of like a theme in mind for my gallery wall. I'm very into flowers. So all of the pictures, I mean, they all have some kind of like botanical, natural element to it. And I guess that's like the common thread amongst all of them. And I like the color blue. So you can see like pops of like light baby blue all throughout, so that was pretty cool too. The most expensive part of putting together a gallery wall is not actually buying the artwork, but framing the artwork. It was very hard to find frames for all of these, especially because they are antiques and they all come from different eras. They're not standard sizes. And then for some of these whose frames like didn't fit, I had to actually go and mat them myself to have them fit inside of the frame. So that was kind of hard.
So in order to figure out how I wanted to arrange all of the artwork, I put all of the images into Adobe Illustrator. Once I kind of figured out what I wanted, I had to do it on the actual wall, and it was a little challenging, I'm not gonna lie. Like, you have to really be exact about your measurements, but I really loved the way that it turned out. It was great.
So that's my gallery wall, guys. Let me know in the comments which of the pieces you thought were like the most interesting or the prettiest, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.